You know that sinking feeling when you walk up to your car and spot a fresh scratch right on the clear coat? Maybe a shopping cart got too friendly, maybe a tree branch reached out, or maybe it's just a mystery. Before you drop hundreds at a body shop, there's a whole category of DIY scratch removers that can save your paint right in the driveway. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best scratch removers for car that'll pay for themselves after just one use. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current prices. Let's jump right in. Starting with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound Scratch Remover. Right off the bat, the bottle says it uses micro-abrasive technology, which basically means tiny particles that cut through scratches without destroying your clear coat. I've got the links to all these products in the description below, so check those out if you want to grab any of these. Now, what I like about this one is that it works both by hand and with a polisher. I tested it on some medium scratches around my door handle, and yeah, it actually worked. The scratches didn't completely disappear, but they're way less noticeable. The application was pretty smooth too. You just apply a small amount, work it in circular motions, and wipe it off. Takes maybe 5 minutes per section. The pros. First, it cuts fast. You're not spending 20 minutes buffing one tiny scratch. Second, it doesn't leave that hazy finish some compounds do. Third, you can use it by hand or machine, so it's versatile. And fourth, it's safe on all clear coats, which is huge because you don't want to make things worse. The con? Well, it's not magic. Deep scratches that go into the primer won't disappear. You'll improve them, but don't expect perfection. Also, at around $15 for 15 ounces, it's mid-range price-wise, but honestly, for what you get, it's a solid deal. Next up, Chemical Guy's C4 and P4 Combo Scratch Remover. This is a 2-step system, so it's a bit more involved than the Meguiar's. You get a cutting compound and a finishing polish, which is actually pretty smart if you want professional results. Here's how it works. The C4 compound is the aggressive one. It removes scratches, swirls, and even towel marks. Then the P4 polish refines everything and brings back that mirror shine. I used this on my hood where I had some swirl marks from bad car washes, and let me tell you, the difference was noticeable. The 2-step process takes longer, yeah, but the results are honestly better than single-step products. You're cutting deeper with the compound, then perfecting with the polish. It's like sanding wood and then finishing it. You get that depth and clarity that one-step products just can't match. Pros? The correction power is legit. If you've got moderate to heavy defects, this combo handles them. It works by hand or machine. Safe for all paint types, including clear coat, single stage, and multi-stage. And you get 32 ounces total, so it's good value for the amount you're getting. Cons? It's more work. 2 steps means more time and effort. And if you're just fixing one tiny scratch, this might be overkill. But for a full detail job, or if you're serious about paint correction, this is the way to go. Moving on to 3D Speed all-in-one scratch remover. Polish, scratch remover, and wax in one bottle. Made in the USA, which some people care about. I tested this on some light scratches and swirls, and it worked surprisingly well for how easy it is. You literally just wipe it on and wipe it off. No crazy buffing, no multiple steps. Just apply, let it haze, and remove. Done. What I noticed is that it leaves a really nice glossy finish because of the wax component. So you're not just removing scratches, you're also protecting the paint. That's a time saver if you're doing a quick detail before selling your car or something. The clear coat safe formula means you can use it without worrying about damaging modern paint finishes. And honestly, for minor imperfections, this does the job without all the fuss. Pros? Super easy to use. All-in-one means less products to buy, adds protection with the wax component, clear coat safe, and it's only 8 ounces, but you don't need much per application, so it lasts longer than you'd think. Cons? It's best for minor scratches. If you've got deep stuff, this won't cut it. And some people might want more control with separate products. But for quick fixes and maintaining your paint, this is solid. Let's talk about Shine Armor Scratch Remover. This is the smallest bottle at 4 ounces, but don't let that fool you. It's designed for spot repairs and quick touch-ups, which is actually really practical. What sets this apart is that it combines scratch removal with a protective sealant. So when you fix a scratch, you're also sealing it against future damage. I used this on some door dings and paint transfer, and it worked pretty well. Not the most aggressive compound, but for light to medium scratches, it gets the job done. The size is actually perfect for keeping in your garage for random touch-ups. You're not buying a huge bottle that sits there for years. You can throw this in your detailing kit and use it when needed. Pros: compact and convenient. Repair and protect in one step. Easy hand application, no tools required. Works on swirls and scratches. Safe for all colors and clear coat finishes. Perfect for emergency fixes. Cons: the 4-ounce size means it won't last long if you're doing a full car, and it's not as aggressive as some others, so deep scratches might not respond well. It's really meant for lighter work and spot treatments. Last one, Adams Polish's Hand Correction System Scratch Remover. This is another 2-step kit, but what's cool is that it's specifically designed for hand application, no polisher needed. You get a compound, a polish, and an orange correction pad. The pad is actually pretty important because it helps you apply even pressure and get consistent results. I tested this on some oxidation and paint transfer, and yeah, it worked really well by hand. The compound cuts through defects, then the polish refines everything. It's similar to the Chemical Guy's setup, but this one's optimized for handwork, so the formulas are a bit different. You're getting that professional 2-step correction without needing to buy a machine. What I really appreciate is that everything you need is in the box. No hunting for the right pad or wondering if you need extra tools. Just grab the kit and go. Pros: complete hand correction kit with everything included. Removes paint transfer and oxidation effectively. 2-step process for professional results without a polisher. Beginner friendly with the included applicator pad. Great for people who don't want to invest in expensive equipment. Cons: takes more effort than 1-step products. You're doing manual labor here, so be prepared to put in some elbow grease. And if you already have a polisher, you might prefer something designed specifically for machines since they'll work faster and cover more area. If you want the best overall value and versatility, go with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. It's effective, works by hand or machine, and it's reasonably priced for what you get. If you've got serious paint correction to do and want professional results, the Chemical Guy's C4 and P4 combo is worth the extra effort. The 2-step system really does make a difference. For quick, easy fixes with added protection, 3D speed all-in-one is perfect. It's beginner-friendly and fast, which matters if you're not trying to spend your whole weekend detailing. Shine Armor is great for spot repairs and keeping in your garage for random touch-ups. Just grab it when you need it. And Adams Polishes is ideal if you want a complete hand correction system without buying a polisher. Everything's included and it's designed to work by hand. Hopefully this helped you figure out which scratch remover is right for your situation. All the links are in the description if you want to check any of these out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.